Welcome to a special episode of Chill Time with Birds. We had a contest over the end of the month of August to vote for which bird was the Ramsey Lofts fan favorite. And a winner is Bird. Hi, Bird. Bird, would you like to give us a tour of your living space? We're going to spend about the next 20 minutes, possibly 40 if we end up doing a part 2, focused on Miss Bird and whatever Miss Bird wants to do, which right now is apparently sit on my arm. She usually just kind of Roombas around doing her own thing, but I think she heard me talking. So Miss Bird, you were asked 4 questions by your fans. They wanted to know what your favorite nest material is. Oh, we must excuse Miss Bird. She is getting nice looking, making herself pretty for her fans. Bird, this is a really difficult angle to film. Oh, you're so sweet. Are you getting me ready for the fans too? Is that Brainy Bird? Hey, can you, yeah, my arm is hard to grip, baby. My arm's hard to grip, baby. She's like, I don't want down though. This is where I want to be. This is specifically where I want to be. Never mind that because I'm blocking the good light, she is in the worst. Bird, I need to ease you down, baby. Ankhou, Bird is being interviewed right now. Oh. You gonna go show the peoples? Oh. Y'all asked what her favorite nest material was, and she has taken us to where her pile of towels used to be. That is her favorite nest material. She's very upset that the pile of towels had to be moved. Technically, it had to be thrown away. Mice were starting to live in it. And we do not want to encourage mice. So we cleared it out, blocked her path to the danger cave, which she is fascinated with. Are we having some trouble navigating the baby gate? Oh, okay. This will do for now for pillow, for nest material. You can get up on this. Bird had to deal with a lot of change during cleaning day yesterday. Pigeons do not like change. Blind pigeons especially do not like change. Hi, Bird. You found me. Oh, you found me. Did you want pettins? Oh, you do. Oh, have you got itchy pins? Would you like me to preen your itchy pins? Do we have to be in the shadows? It's hard to get good video of you in the shadows. Oh, thank you, Bird. Oh, thank you for moving where we can see you. No, we can't let you go in the kitchen. The kitchen is still messy. She was asked what her favorite snack was. Bird doesn't differentiate between food very well. She can't see it, and whatever she comes across that fits in her mouth, she just kind of wolfs down. This is a problem because when she first moved into the house, we were forever having to pull hair out of her crop. She would come across it, pick it up, and immediately eat it. Oh, I'm sorry. You have a path now, or did you want to snuggle? Oh, you wanted to snuggle. Okay. Bird does not always know what she wants. Uh-oh. Okay. It is lap time while I'm sitting on the air conditioner vent. Because of course it is. You're such a sweet bird. Did you not want me to get your pins? I'm sorry. This bird likes to climb things. Oh, hello, bird. Did you actually want lap time, or were you expecting to go into your other cave under the table? She also likes her other cave under the table. I'm thinking of installing her a nest box there. Oh, is it downtime? Do you want down? I'll help you. No? Okay. Kinda hard to focus on you from this angle, bird. Oh, you would like down. Okay. Did you want to go? Oh, you hear the coo. What is the coo doing in your cave? Hello, the coo. Bird likes the coo. She is nodding at him in hopes of enticing him. Ankhou, however, does not like Bird to be on me. I belong to Coo. Yes, I know, I see you. You are a handsome man. We did not ask you for a cameo, though. Bird asked him for a cameo. Bird is nodding to Coo for a reason. She is also crouching for the Coo. So I will try and ease her onto the floor. There you go. It's okay. You're on the floor. And you're still trying to nod to the Coo? Ah. The Coo seems satisfied now that she's no longer on my hand. What was the other thing they asked? Oh! Bird. What's your favorite activity? No, I'm sorry, Bird. She's still hoping to get Ankhou's attention. And Ankhou wants my attention. He is staunchly ignoring this Bird. Bird's like, I know I'm supposed to nod. Yes, hello, the Coo. Bird's favorite activities are roombaing around the living room, begging people for attention, and attempting to get Ankhou's attention. There's that Coo. You found him. Would you like me to move? I will move. That will allow a bird better access to the baby gate and the Coo. Bird Ankhou has gone away. Are you nodding for your dad now? I know you hear his feet steps. Ankhou.
Hey, girly.
Yeah, he wanted her dad. Her dad, unfortunately, cannot fit under the table with a bird. And here she comes. Oh, is it food time? Is it food time, or do you want to go back in your nest box? Also, Bentclaw wants to know if you will be their friend. Can you be their friend? It's brood time. It's brood time for Bird. Pick this up so you can see her. Hi, Bird. Hi, Bird. Oh, did you not want me to open that? Okay. Probably because this bastard. We are insulted when not about us. Yeah, it goes way beyond uncomfortable. He is downright insulted when we're not about him. Yeah. That's my good little pancake. Oh, Lordy. So, there's their feeding station in the corner. It's Bird no longer quite feels like continuing the tour. They have bricks they can pass over to keep their claws worn down that Koo will occasionally drag Bird over. Bird spends most of her time in the nest box, going from the nest box to the food corner, and from the food corner to the kitchen corner, and to preen her dad's feet. Bird, now that Koo is gone, can we open the door and see this Bird? Aww. He is in there, in her box. Hi, Bird. Hi, Bird. Now that Koo. Oh. Was that an invitation to join a Bird? May we join this Bird? Oh, a tremble muffin. No, Ankhou. Ankhou would like to show you his garbage nest, which he has carefully curated by dragging everything he can find into that corner under the chair. Is that what you wanted to show people? He's like, why would you go talk to Bird when I'm here? I try not to mess with Koo's garbage nest as long as he doesn't drag anything under there that'll rot. Every now and again we have to dismantle it, and he's very angry with us for that for about a week, until he can find enough stuff to drag back under there. It's mostly receipts, bits of plastic, straw that he has broken off the end of a broom. Yeah, I see you. None of which he puts in the actual basket I gave him as a nest. He just kind of piles it around there because my foot doesn't go in the basket. He wants my foot to be in the middle of his garbage nest. He's very proud of it. You are very proud of that garbage nest. I know. I know. You're like, I will happily show you where I live and invite you in. He's like, you can get that old bird to invite you in where she lives. Hi, Coo. I see your mess. I see this mess that you've worked very hard to curate. Where did you get a hanger? How did you get a hanger? I didn't even know you could lift that. I mean, he is strong enough to drag things. Also, Muffin, you don't need this green tea bottle. I know how he got that there. He rolled it. He's very proud of himself. Well, since the Coo is of a mind that y'all should also see his living space, that is his desk nest. He lives there when I'm working and stands in front of the screen so that I can't see it through him. While we're on the subject of the house birds, this is Gordon. This is April. Excuse me, sweetie, I'm sorry. And that is their dove mansion. Who wants to know where I went? I'm still here. I'm still here, Muffin. Grunt. Grunt. You're the goodest Muffin. Why do you have a plate? How did you get a plate? Some things he just levers out of the garbage. Oh. Hi, Bird. I hear you. But Coo wants attention again. Yeah. Hey, Coo. Let's go. I'm gonna come talk to this bird some more. Hi, bird. Oh. Oh. She begs to differ. She would like us in the box with her. Coo just has a bad habit of harassing her. So when he comes over, I throw the blanket back down. So that this bird, this lovely bird, can have some peace. Oh, hello. Oh, hello, bird. Yes, hello. Yes, hello. Oh. Is it out time, or do you just want me to close the door again? Bird is doing the nesty shuffle to make her blanket more comfortable. We've largely given up on attempting to artificially inseminate her because I don't actually know how well she'd do with the peeps once she had them. And I can't guarantee that I'll have a foster for her. That's why she's on a blanket and not straw. Oh, hi, bird. Is it food time? Oh, it's time to go back behind the chair. She misses her towel nest. Her current nest is too close to Coo's garbage nest for comfort. Have you discovered the shortcut to food? Oh. Oh, it looks like she has. And that is about our 20 minutes. So in addition to our clients, adopters, hi bird, our wonderful patrons on Patreon, our subscribers here on YouTube, hi bird. Uh-oh. Okay. Bird's like, be done with that mess and pet me. Alright, bird, we'll leave off the outro. Okay. Alright. I love you too.